Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, who was the very first traveler to leave our planet and journey into the stars? Most people might imagine a strong astronaut in a shiny white suit, waving to the cameras before liftoff. But the truth is far more surprising. The very first space traveler was not a human at all. It was a small stray dog named Laika. Laika lived on the cold, busy streets of Moscow. She was just an ordinary dog, but one day, her life changed forever. Scientists chose her for a mission that no living creature had ever attempted before, to ride a rocket into space. They believed that if a dog could survive, then maybe one day, humans could too. On November 3, 1957, Laika was placed inside a spacecraft called Sputnik 2. The world watched as the rocket engines ignited, shaking the ground and lighting up the sky. In just minutes, Laika was no longer a stray dog wandering the streets. She was the first living creature to orbit Earth. Imagine that moment. A tiny dog floating high above our planet, looking down on the glowing blue Earth. She didn't know she was making history. She didn't know that her courage was opening the path for human space travel. All she knew was that she was alone, far from home, carrying the hopes of humanity. Laika never returned to Earth. Back then, scientists hadn't yet figured out how to bring someone safely home from orbit. But even though her life ended in space, her journey left a mark that will never be forgotten. She proved that space travel was possible. Because of her, astronauts could follow. Laika's story teaches us two things. First, that even the smallest and most unlikely among us can change the world. She was just a stray dog, yet she became a pioneer of space exploration. Second, her story reminds us that great discoveries often come with great sacrifices. Laika showed courage that humans could only dream of, and because of her, we learned how to reach the stars. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember Laika, the little dog who showed us that courage has no size, and that even the smallest heart can make the biggest difference. Like and subscribe for more interesting facts.